Hello and welcome back. Today we're gonna do replica sets. All right, you're gonna see how it works and why does it work, and what's the benefit of replica sets. All right, so let's go. Kubectl. We're gonna create the deployment. Create deploy, and the name of the deployment. I'm gonna go with Leah Labs again. If you have watched my previous videos, this is my this is what I go to. All right, image. We're gonna do nginx. All right, and now instead of writing dry run, we're gonna go replicas. And how many replicas do we desire? How many replicas do we want for this pod? I'm gonna go with 3. All right, and I'm gonna go with dry run. I prefer to use that so I can see the YAML file and I have it existing in my directory to play with it how I want. I also can do that with edit pod, but I prefer to do it this way. All right, and YAML and the name of the YAML file we want to create. I'm gonna go with Leah Labs pod YAML. All right, so now it's created, and we're gonna go and look at the YAML file that we created. Let's see if we have it. Yes, we do. Leah Labs YAML. All right, let's see. If you look down here, if you saw my previous one, it says only one replica set. Now we got 3. All right, everything looked good. Name of the app, the image, everything look good. At the kind is deployment. All right, so let's move on. Let's make the pod up and running. All right, so now the pods should be up and running, and we should have 3 pods. All right, so let's see what we got. Get pods. We got 3 pods up and running, and we're gonna see. Maybe you ask yourself, how many replica sets do we have? We can take a look. Kubectl get rs stands for replica sets. I prefer to use rs instead of replica sets. And you see it's desired 3 pods. All right, and we got 1 replica set, and we can take a look at this replica set and see what we have created. So kubectl describe rs and just print that one over here, and you see here it's in a default namespace. You can see the selectors, the labels. We're going to talk about the selectors and labels further on. Replica set, it's currently have 3 replica set, and the desired replicas that we wanted were 3. So everything looks good. So what will happen if we let's say we have 3 replicas, 3 pods, sorry. So let's say I want to delete all the pods. What do you think will happen? Kubectl delete pod all. All right, all the pods, all the 3 pods is deleted from the default namespace. All right, so that's the good thing about replica sets. My desired state is 3 pods up and running. All right, so the replica sets get pods. So look, I got 3 pods. So every time I delete a pod, a new pod will be created. So because I had set 3 replica sets, and that's my desired state, I want all the time 3 pods up and running. So that's the meaning with replica sets, and if one pod crashes, it's gonna create one instantly. All right. So yeah, That's all for replica sets. Now you know how to create one with just simple hands-on. I'm not gonna go much more deeper. It's gonna get boring. So yeah, now you know how to create a replica set. All right, see you in the next one. Goodbye.